Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And today we're demonstrating a unit out of a 76 Firebird Formula. This comes from Gerald in Baltimore, Maryland. He has requested repair to original stock, which we were able to do. So let's pop a tape in and make sure it works. Check our output. Balance left. Balance right. It might be a little loud. Okay, now I switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay, that's blank. Not blank anymore. Okay, get rid of these meters.
Now I know the answer to my prayer. Every friend I had, such as I, there never was I.
Okay, pretty short and sweet test. Not a lot to test on a standalone 8-track player, so that's pretty much it. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me for paying, repair, or conversion work only, not for free repair advice or to find a belt or a part or some weird part number that I don't even have in my service manual. Only call me if you have a unit you want to send in for repair. That's the only reason you call me, unless you've had a unit repaired and there's a problem with it, and you call me that. But don't call me for free repair advice. McDonald's doesn't give away hamburgers. I don't give away my valuable knowledge. It's that simple. Knowledge costs money. My knowledge has cost me a great deal of money, and I'm not about to give it away. So, thanks so much for watching and listening, guys, and we'll see you next time. My website's in the description below. And my phone number is 928-533-9666.